Doors closing.
These are the elevators, the newly modernized elevators here at 55 Public Square, here in downtown Cleveland. Now we got some KONE Polaris elevators, which this is pretty nice, but sadly it replaced
22nd floor.
It sadly replaced a set of Otis pop-outs, or Westinghouse, I mean. Westinghouse pop-outs.
Doors opening. Elevator C going down.
Oh, it looks like they're not even done with modding them from the looks of it.
Doors closing.
Hmm. As I'm sure you may notice, that used to be a second COP, but now they only have one COP. Nice cabs. Again, this is a good mod, but it still sucks though because of what it replaced. My ear just popped. Oh, that's the service elevator. Night service elevator. I'm gonna take a peek out real quick. I think there actually is more than one service elevator here. There's an old US mail chute. Stairs. Community lounge, more elevators. Huh. It appears on each of these banks they only modded some of them, but just decommissioned the rest. Oh, and here's the other main service elevator, but it got modded too. Alright, well, I'm not gonna waste any more time snooping around. Let's go back up to 22.
Select floor by elevator E to floor 22. Forward and on your right.
Alright, here we go. Yeah, and this one serves all the floors. Overall, this is, again, very nice, very smooth, and it's definitely KONE quality at its best, but I do still wish the Westies were here, though. Alright, I'm gonna get off in the lobby. Oh, it's gonna give me C now, okay. I believe this building was built in
Elevator C, going down.
I believe this building was built in 1958.
Doors closing.
And I believe this mod was just done like a year ago. Anyways, here we go down to 1.
19th floor. Doors opening. Elevator C, going down.
Going down.
Doors closing. First floor. Doors opening.
Alright.
Elevator C, going up.
Those don't work anymore. Oh, that'll